Our 12th picture is camel. Look at the spelling C-A-M-A-L. Let us write camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Okay. Now turn the page. Next page. Alphabetical order. Students, before going to see this page, let us learn first what is alphabetical order. For this, you need to know the order of the English alphabets very well. Let us have a look at English alphabets. As you observe, here all the letters are in particular order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, so on. Okay. This order of the letters is known as alphabetical order. Okay. This is known as alphabetical order. First A, followed by B, C, D, like this. Look at here the question. Write the following words in an alphabetical order. Look at this list of words. Car, balloon, deer, apple. You can see the pictures also. Car, balloon, deer, apple. Here you have to write these words in an alphabetical order. This list is not given in order. To arrange these words in alphabetical order, we look at the first letter. First letter, see here C, here B, D, A. The word that begins with the letter A comes first. When you are writing alphabetical order, you can see here A first, then B. The word begins means the first letter. With letter A comes first, followed by B, then C. Okay. Here, which will come first? First letter C, here C, you can see a B, you can say D, you can A. A, apple. Apple comes first. Students, let us write apple. A-double-P-L-E. Now let's see any words begins with B. First letter is C. Here is first letter is B, D. A is over. Here balloon. First letter is B. B-A-double-L-O-O-N. Now next C. You can see C. Okay, any words begins with C? Yes, car. C-A-R, car. And then D. Any words begins with D? Yes, deer. You have to write deer. Now let's see next question. Here is some pictures given. Telephone, cup, watch and ball. You can see telephone T, cup first letter is C, watch first letter is W, ball first letter is B. When you are writing alphabetical order, which comes first? A. Is there any words begins with A? No. B? Yes. We have ball. First letter is B here. Yes? Okay, let us write ball. B-A-double-L. B after which letter comes? C. Okay, any words begins with C? C, yes. Cup. Any other letter is there? No. Okay, cup. Let us write cup. C-U-P, cup. And then D. Any words are there? Begins with D? No. E? No. This is over. F? No. Now we have only two pictures, telephone and watch. Telephone first letter is T and watch first letter is W. Which comes first when you are telling alphabetical order? T or W? T. Yes? Okay. Let us write T. Telephone. Then last, watch. W-T-C-H. Watch. Okay. Now I have given some questions here. Let's see. Write the following words in an alphabetical order. Okay. Sofa, table, chair, mat. Here see which letter begins with A? No. B? No words. C? Yes, chair. You have to write chair first. C-H-A-I-R. Chair after C is followed by D. D is there? No. E? No. F? No. G? H? I? J? K? L? M? M. Mat. N? No. Now we have two letters S and T. Which comes first? M after N. O P Q R S. Sofa comes first. Sofa and last table. T A B L E. Next. Question number 2. Ship, sail, skate, sand. Here see all the letters begins with S. Ship first letter S. Sail first letter S. Skate first letter S. Sand first letter S. Now let us write these words in an alphabetical order. If all the letters are same, first letter is same, then you have to see the second letter. What is the second letter here? Ship, H. Here A. Okay, sail. Here K. Here A. See, here second letter also same, A. Sand and sail. If the second letter also same, then you have to see third letter. Here I, here N. Now which comes first, I or N? When you say A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, E, I comes first. Okay, then you have to write sail. Sail first. S-A-I-L. Next, sand. S-A-N-D. Now, ship and skate is remained. Here, yes, H is there, second letter. Here, K is there. H comes or K comes first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So, ship comes first. S-H-I-P. Then last, skate. S-K-A-T-E. Skate. Okay. Now, third question. Some words given here. Banana, grapes, apple, cherry. Banana, grapes, apple, cherry. Now, which words begins with A? Here, B, G, A. Apple. Apple begins with A. And B, banana. Banana. C, cherry. C-H-E-R-R-Y. And D is there? No. E, F, G, grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Okay. Now let us go to fourth question. Here are some words given. Clock, garden, hen, axe. Clock, garden, hen, axe. Here clock first letter C, garden G, hen H, axe A. You know alphabetical order which comes first? A. So you have to write axe first. Then any words begins with B? No. C? Yes. Clock. C-L-O-C-K. D? No. E? No. F? G? Yes. Garden. Garden. Next, hen. Last. Hen. Okay. Now let us go to our grammar book. Let's see. This is our grammar book. Here we can see alphabetical order. There are There are 26 letters in English alphabet. The order of the letter is A, B, C and so on. This is called alphabetical order. I taught you. Question. Write the names of the following parts of the body in an alphabetical order. Here some body parts is written here. Names of the body parts given. So we have to write them in an alphabetical order. First see, this is neck. N-E-C-K, neck, spelling C. Here this is chick. You can see the chick. C-H-E-E-K, chick. Eyes, I-E-Y-E, eye. This is arm. Can you see the arm? Yes. Next, leg, L-E-G, leg. Foot, F-O-O-T. This is stomach, S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. You can see the stomach here. Mouth, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. This you have to write in an alphabetical order. Any words begins with A, you have to search first letter A. Here A, no. A. Any words are there? Yes, here A is there. So arm. Arm they have written already. See, there answer is given here. A-R-M, arm. Now let us see B. Followed by A is followed by which letter? B. Okay, any words begins with B? Cheek, no, this is over. B. No words. Now let us see. Is there any words begins with C? Yes. Here, chick. C-H-E-E-K. Okay, chick. Now A, B, C, D. Any words begins with the D? No. E, yes. I. E-Y-E. Next, E after F. Any words begins with F? Yes. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. F after G. H. No. I-J-K-L. Leg is there. Leg. L-E-G. L-E-G. Next. L after M. Yes. Mouth. First letter is M. Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Mouth after N. No words. O. No. P. Q-R. Yes. Stomach. Stomach is here. M after N is there. N. N-E-C-K. Neck. Then stomach. S. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Okay. Exercise number B. Ramu, the fruit seller, wants to arrange his baskets of fruits in alphabetical order. Help him. Ramu, he is Ramu. The fruit seller, he is a fruit seller, wants to arrange his baskets of fruits. These are all his baskets of fruits in alphabetical order. Okay. Let's see his baskets of fruits. Grapes, pears, apples, oranges, bananas, mangoes, chickus, figs. Now, let us arrange his baskets of fruits in alphabetical order. First, let's see any words begins with letter A. First letter, see, G, it is G, P, A. Yes, apples. Let us write here. Apples. A-P-P-L-E-S. Answer is already written here. Okay. Now, next, followed by B. Any words begins with letter B. Let's see. G, P, no. B. Bananas. Okay, let us write here. Bananas. Bananas. Next. B after C. Any words begins with letter C? Yes, chickus. Chickus. Next. Any words begins with the D? No. E? No. F. Figs. F after G. Grapes. 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 Grapes after, what is this? Mango. Grapes after mango. See, Mangoes. Any words begins with N? No. MNO. Yes, oranges. Oranges. Then orange after pears. Pears. Okay. Now this way, students, you have to arrange the given words in alphabetical order. Okay.